We're on.
All right. Let's
Zero.
see.
Try zero.
Hey Tyler, this is Tammy in room 305. I need some advice because I'm a little bit confused. I just went into my bathroom and I used the bathroom and I'm between a 1.6 and a point 0.8. So I'm not sure, like it's not it's not solid and it's not liquid. It's kind of in between. So what number should I push on the toilet? Yeah, it's like it's Tyler, it's seriously in between though. It's not completely solid and it's not completely liquid. So like what, it's like a I don't know, maybe it's a 1.0. Like I need the 1.0 flush button. Do the maximum? Okay, I won't get in trouble for using the wrong one. That's good to know. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I get it. I get it. Yeah, well, I should probably use the maximum because I don't want to, not have it go down. Okay, I'll go with that one then. Thank you. All right. Have a great day.